Hey guys, let's chat about lab number 4 for chapter 3. So just to introduce, this one is based on the Titanic. It's a bit grim, based on, who survived and who was lost. Men, women, children, first class, second class, third class, and crew. So you see it's divided up here, after the intro, divided up here into this massive contingency table. And if you've watched the lectures, you know that I love contingency tables. They're amazing. There's so much information packed into a grid like that, into a table like that. Okay, so definitely read this intro. There's some stuff here. You get the total number of passengers and that sort of thing, which is not in this table explicitly. And then you're going to be asked to set up a couple of smaller contingency tables. So in number 1, you're just looking at first class, second class, third class crew, who was rescued, who was lost, and then the totals all the way around. So you'll find a few probabilities. Be careful, in part A and B, it's the probability of an and, like rescued and first class. Where in C, it's a given, rescued given first class, so be careful how you go and calculate those. Parts D and E, okay, well, D is kind of the same thing, right? You got the given. Part E, answer as best as you can here. There is one correct answer, so think about that one. Number 2, you're filling out another contingency table. But now it's not first class, second class, third class. It's men, women, children rescued and lost, and then the totals all the way around. Now here, everything you're calculating is a given. Rescued, given being a man. Rescued, given being a woman. Rescued, given being a child. So take a look at those. And then questions 3 and 4 kind of cause us to reflect on what we did. This number 3, you reflect on what you did in number 1. Number 4, you reflect on what you did in number 2. And there's not necessarily a right or a wrong to these, but just be sure to give reasons. And when we say reasons here in a statistics course, when we're studying probability, don't just give your ideas, give probabilities, give numbers to support your claim. What probabilities did you calculate that would support your conclusions here for 3 and 4. So again, there's no right answer so long as you support your ideas with probabilities. Okay, that's it. Good luck. And as always, come to office hours if and when you get stuck.